Welcome to Parents of the Dead.
Yeah, it's episode 33.
And
And
zombies.
I can smell some game over.
Yeah, it's going to be game over real soon.
Yeah.
Because the zombies particularly love killing the player tag team style.
Mm-hmm.
But what if the first zombie kills the player before he won't be happy? He just won't be happy about it.
No.
Zombie.
Because zombies don't love superfluous violence.
What? Okay.
The second zombie does not need to punch the player if the player is already dead.
So, zombie.
Don't get to punch a dead player.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So we currently have only 2 lives.
Yeah.
So he doesn't even get to kill anything.
No.
Poor bastard. It's a null pointer exception.
So he gets so mad that he breaks the entire game.
Yeah.
So
the thing that happens here is that the game is over, so there's no player with no health and get a null pointer exception.
right. So basically here.
Yep.
When
not. Yep.
Game over. Game.
Yes, perfect. That should be it. And of course I didn't fix the test. I didn't fix the test properly. It says current 3, but should be current 2.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thanks for your sloppy work.
Yep, you're welcome.
I would like to see this game over screen.
Yes, agreed.
And I suspect that that's not even in here.
You have to look in the DOMs, the cheat sheet DOM structure thing.
Yeah. I think it's outside of that. Do you keep closing it?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Game over. Replace entire page with...
Yeah. So it's on the client then.
Yeah, so we don't have actionizing of killed player, do we? Did we actionize killed player?
No.
No, I don't think so. That's the first step then.
Yeah. Thank you. Actionized killed player. And then it says kill player.
Yeah. Doesn't need anything.
The player got killed by death.
Yes.
Yeah. And then it says just game over. True.
Yeah, that's it.
Go fix, sir.
Okay. I will.
Do we have the update game? Yeah, of course we have. Yeah. We do.
Player. And I will just do this.
Yeah. And now you can go to main, not to fish, but to the client main.
Oh, yeah.
It's not here. Oh, yeah, of course it's here.
I think it's...
Yeah.
You might as well do it here.
Yeah, of course.
But you did remind me that we should stop the loop in the game loop.
Yeah.
So that was something we can do. So replace everything. So we have if error. Now we can do gund.
Yeah.
We will do gund error. We will do...
Yeah, it will not look like that.
We won't. It will look like this.
Yes.
It will look like this.
Yeah. Because the last chunk is so big.
Yeah. Let's look at DOM structure. Game over.
I guess every project has a eaten by zombies class name.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
All of mine do. Why?
You need a default.
Yeah,
Or actually, else. Otherwise,
excellent.
The linters will be angry.
Mm-hmm.
We don't use a linter here for that, but...
No, that's true. Let's do game loop. So here we go. We have a loop, and we have when updated game.
Mm-hmm.
And
not game over.
Not game over.
Yeah. So it just gives up.
That's good.
Screw you.
So now, do we get killed?
Yeah, you can just play till you get killed.
That's pretty cool. Let's see.
And since we already established that you're a poor player, that should be quite easy for you.
Mm-hmm. Let's see who kills me first.
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
You need to punch him for less than he punches you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, perfect. Now I should be dead. Boom.
Oh, eaten by zombies.
That's great. I think that's an episode. It's a very short one.
Very short one.
Yeah.
But we got eaten by zombies, so there's not much more we can do.
That's true. Yeah.
See ya.